Hey guys, welcome to my channel Financial Pay. So as you can see from my screen, I am here to explain you regarding the Kotec Manufacture in India Fund, Grow with India. This fund is going to be launched on 1st of Feb 2022 and ends on 15th of Feb 2022. For 15 days it is launching. Plus, depicts that it invests in companies engaged in manufacturing activities, giving you an opportunity for wealth creation alongside the growing Indian economy. As its name suggests, it means we are growing with India, means we are investing in the Indian companies who are manufacturing in India. Going further, if we check that manufacturing GFCF as a percentage of GDP is expected to rise. What does this GFCF means? GFCF means gross fixed capital formation. Now, this is a full form of this term. What does it actually mean? It actually means it's also called as investment. It is defined as an acquisition of the product produced assets, including the production of such assets by producers for their own use minus the disposal. Means whatever we are getting produced in India, we are using it for our own use also. So this graph depicts that expect real manufacturing GFCF to increase from 5.5% to 7% of the GDP by financial year 2027. That means whatever products we will be introducing in India, we will be manufacturing in India, most of the products will be used by us only. Now this second graph depicts the real manufacturing GFCF may double by financial year 2027. So it is a great huge opportunity for the companies. So that's why Kotec has released such NFO for all of us. Now second factor, that is Indian manufacturing sector is poised to bring renaissance. Renaissance means a great change, but obviously you can see that with 8 times output in the last 7 years. Just take the example of the mobile phones. Now it is 100% manufactured in India. There is no import of the mobile phones. Now what is a factor that implies this? You can say phased manufacturing program for mobile phone. Government has introduced certain laws. Second one is 100% automatic FDI. Because of this reason, there is no intervention of the government by the companies for the FDI investment, and they can invest 100% automatic mode. Third one is single window clearance. Fourth one is import duty protection. Fifth one is BLI scheme, that is performance linked incentive scheme. Because of this scheme, what the companies are doing, whatever cash money they were having, they are reinvesting it. So they are getting the incentive also, plus the manufacturing products are also increasing. That is a win-win situation for India. Then sixth one is tax cut, and the last one is electronic cluster. You can see the mobile phones graph from financial year 2014 to 2021. It has risen 8 times. Now they have just illustrated regarding the government initiative of the performance linked incentive that is bringing a positive change. Because of that scheme, from financial year 22 to 27, the expected GFCF is going to be doubled by around 5 financial year 2027. Estimated GDP impact from the 13 PLI schemes have been announced. So now coming further, if we check the focused investment themes of Kotec Manufacture in India Fund, first one is an emerging and manufacturing hub after China. As you can see, China, everyone here knows that COVID virus initiated from the China. So now India has given the vaccines to that against that COVID virus. So India is manufacturing billions of the vaccine, and they have manufactured it in India. That means that if we say after China, India is the biggest competitor to China, and actually in whole world is the third main biggest manufacturing hub. Second one is PLI scheme, which I already discussed. Third one is housing starting to take off, because of the people if they are manufacturing in India, they are using the products in India. Cash will be within India, so now there will be plenty of cash, and the peoples will be taking houses, they will be starting to generate their houses in the India itself. Fourth one is deleveraged balance sheet of the corporates. So everything will be deleveraged. There will be no cash left because the money due to PLI scheme will be introduced in manufacturing the products only. Fifth one is reimagining India's carbon footprint. This is also the main factor while for this NFO to have a huge potential. Now coming further, Nifty India Manufacturing Index versus Nifty 500 Index, higher odds of outperformance in the long term. In the long term, Nifty 500 Index versus that India Manufacturing Index has outperformed. So that simply implies that going for the higher duration, there will be a significant changes in the economy. Why invest in Kotec Manufacture in India Fund now? Recent underperformance provides attractive allocation zone. Last 5 years, Nifty India Manufacturing Index has underperformed. But coming the 5 years, its outperforming odds is 69%. That means it is bound to go back and check out for the newer heights. Now you can say fund. What are the fund facts? Fund facts, name of the scheme you already know, it is Kotak Manufacture in India Fund. Type of fund is an open-ended scheme. Benchmark is Nifty India Manufacturing Total Return Index. Investment objective is that seek to generate the capital appreciation by investing in diversified portfolio of the companies that follow the manufacturing theme. However, there is no assurance that the objective of the scheme will be realized. Fund manager name is Mr. Harish Krishnan for equity, Mr. Abhishek Bisan for debt. Minimum application amount is 5,000 and in multiples of 1 for purchases of rupees 0.01 for switches. Minimum investment during NFO is initial purchase 5,000 and in multiples of 1 for purchase and for 0.01 for switches. SIP purchase 500 subject to a minimum of 10 SIP installment of 500 each. Plans as all the funds come, there's a plan regular and direct, both are there. Options growth is there. Options may one more option is there, payout of the income distribution come capital withdrawal, that is known as IDCW. Third option is reinvestment of the income distribution come capital withdrawal, that is IDCW. Then investment objective that seek to generate the capital appreciation by investing in diversified portfolio of companies that follow the manufacturing theme. There is no entry load, but yes, there is an exit load. For redemption, switch out up to 10% of the initial investment amount purchased or switched in within 1 year from the date of allotment. There is nil, means only within 1 year if you redeem or 10% of the amount, there is no exit load. But greater than that, there will be 1% exit load. After 1 year, there is no exit load. And in riskometer, if we'll check it, it is at very high risk. Scheme riskometer and benchmark riskometer both are very high risk. So the last, it is like this product is suitable for the long-term capital growth, at least 3 to 5 years you can see. Horizon is 3 to 5 years minimum. Plus investment in equity and equity related securities across the market capitalization. So guys, if you have any question regarding this NFO, whether to invest in it or not, to not invest in it, or whether you need any clarification, you can comment in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.